Hello everyone, welcome to today's lecture on the overview of renewable energy sources. My name is Purvi Chandrakar and I am thrilled to guide you through this exploration of energy efficient buildings. In the previous lecture module, we have already learnt about Introduction to Energy Efficiency in Buildings, design considerations for different climates, energy efficiency strategies for new buildings and existing buildings, energy retrofit of existing buildings, energy efficient HVAC systems, building envelope and insulation and efficient lighting solutions. So, in this lecture we will start a new module on renewable energy integration in energy efficient buildings. In this module we will learn about overview of renewable energy sources, integrating solar energy systems, economic and environmental benefits of renewable energy, introduction to sustainability and energy rating systems, application of energy rating systems in building design, energy efficient building case studies. The outline of this lecture will be as follows. First, we will get the introduction to renewable energy. What is renewable energy and why use renewable energy? Then we will learn different kinds of renewable energy like hydropower, bioenergy, geothermal, ocean energy, hydrogen energy, wind energy and solar energy also. Solar thermal and photovoltaic both will be discussed in this lecture. Next, we will start with potential for renewable energy in buildings. We will learn that the building energy consumption and how building energy demand is rising continuously. We will also see how buildings are the part of solution for our problems of increasing energy demand. Next, we will learn about integration of renewable energy in buildings. Then, environmental and economic benefits of integration of renewable energy in buildings, and then we will conclude this lecture with a summary of what we have learned in this lecture. So, what is renewable energy? Let's begin by defining renewable energy. Renewable energy harnesses natural sources that are continually replenished by nature, such as sunlight, wind, water, earth's heat and biomass. Unlike fossil fuel which have a finite supply, renewable energy sources offer a sustainable and environmentally friendly alternative. Why should we prioritize renewable energy? There are several compelling reasons. First, our reliance on fossil fuels contributes to environmental degradation and climate change. By transitioning into renewables, we can reduce greenhouse emission and mitigate the impacts of global warming. Additionally, renewable energy offers energy security by diversifying our energy sources and reducing dependence on imported fossil fuels. Now, let us briefly discuss some of these renewable energy sources. First, hydropower. Hydropower is one of the oldest forms of renewable energy. It harnesses the kinetic energy of flowing water to generate electricity. It accounts for a significant portion of world's electricity production. With various types of hydropower system including dam-based, run-of-the-river installations, while hydropower offers clean energy, it also presents challenges related to environmental impacts such as habitat disruption and water quality concerns. Second is bioenergy. Bioenergy utilizes organic matters such as plants and biomass to produce heat, electricity and biofuels. From traditional biomass sources like wood to modern biofuel production techniques, bioenergy offers a versatile and renewable energy solution. However, It's essential to ensure sustainable practices to prevent deforestation and land degradation. Next, geothermal energy. Geothermal energy harnesses the heat stored beneath the Earth's surface to generate electricity and provide heating and cooling solution. This renewable energy source offers a reliable and constant power supply, with geothermal power plants and geothermal heat pumps being prominent applications. While geothermal energy is abundant, its utilization is often limited to regions with accessible geothermal resources. Next is ocean energy. Ocean energy encompasses various technologies that harness the mechanical and thermal energy of the oceans for electricity generation. From tidal and wave energy to ocean thermal energy conversion, that is OTEC system, these renewable energy sources offers immense potential for sustainable power generation. While ocean energy technologies are still in the early stages of development, ongoing research and innovation holds promise for their widespread adoption. Next, hydrogen. Hydrogen energy is the most abundant element in the universe. It holds significant potential as a clean and versatile energy carrier. While hydrogen production currently relies on fossil fuel such as natural gas, efforts are underway to produce hydrogen from renewable energy sources through electrolysis and biomass conversion. Hydrogen fuel cells offer eminent and emission-free electricity generation for various applications, including transportation and stationary power. Although these renewable energy sources carries a huge potential, their use in buildings are very limited. Now, let us discuss few renewable energy sources which have huge potential in decreasing the utilization of conventional energy in our energy efficient buildings. First of them is wind energy. Wind energy, often referred to as the fastest growing renewable energy source, it utilizes kinetic energy of wind to generate electricity through the rotation of turbine blades. These turbines come in various sizes, from small scale turbines suitable for residential use to massive utility scale turbines found in wind farms. With advancements in turbine design and technology such as taller towers and longer blades, wind energy continues to improve its efficiency and cost effectiveness. Wind farms strategically located in areas with consistent and strong wind resources contribute significantly to global transition to clean energy and reduction of greenhouse gas emissions. Next, and the most important, ongoing solar energy. Solar energy derived from the sun's radiation is one of the most abundant renewable energy sources available. From passive solar design principle to photovoltaic technology, solar energy offers diverse applications for electricity generation, water heating, space heating and cooling, even in transportation. Advances in solar technology have made solar energy increasingly affordable and accessible for both residential and commercial use. Part of solar energy is solar thermal. Solar thermal utilizes system solar collectors to absorb sunlight and use this thermal energy for residential and commercial purposes. With various collectors design available including flat plate and evacuated tube collector, solar thermal system offers an energy efficient alternative to conventional heating methods in our buildings. These systems typically use mirrors or collectors to concentrate solar radiation received into a receiver, where the heat is transferred to a fluid to produce steam for electricity generation or to provide normal hot water for heating purposes. Solar thermal power plants such as solar power towers and parabolic subsystems offer significant, efficient and scalable solution for clean energy generation in regions with ample sunlight. By reducing reliance on fossil fuels, solar thermal systems contribute to lower energy cost and reduce carbon emission in buildings by using solar thermal energy in applications such as solar water heating, solar room heating or solar dryers. Next is solar electricity. Solar electricity, also known as solar photovoltaic or PV technology, converts sunlight directly into electricity using solar panels composed of semiconductor materials. These panels, composed of multiple solar cells, generate electricity when photons from the sunlight strikes the semiconductor material, creating an electric current. Grid connected PV systems enable homeowners and business owners to generate their own electricity, reducing reliance on the utility grid and lowering electricity bills. Net metering policies further incentivize the adoption of solar electricity by allowing consumer to sell excess power back to the grid. With ongoing advancements in solar panel efficiency, durability and affordability, solar electricity continues to emerge as a leading renewable energy source, offering clean and sustainable power for a wide range of applications, including residential and commercial buildings. As we briefly discussed renewable energy sources, it's clear that these technologies offer a pathway to a more sustainable and resilient energy future. By embracing innovation, investing in research and development, and promoting renewable energy policies in our residential and commercial buildings, we can accelerate the transition to a low carbon economy and mitigate the impacts of climate change. Let us now discuss potential for renewable energy in our buildings. As economic activity grows and electrification expands, buildings are consuming more energy than ever before. But this presents an opportunity. By distributing renewable power among individual buildings, we can significantly decrease the demand for centralized utilities, paving the way for a decentralized and resilient energy infrastructure. Renewable energy adoption in buildings not only demonstrate environmental leadership of a country, but also on-site energy generation improves energy security for that country. Next is building energy consumption. Let's start by understanding the sheer magnitude of energy consumption in a building. Did you know that buildings contribute to about 30% of final global energy consumption? And that's not all. More than half of the final electricity demand worldwide comes from buildings alone. This highlights the critical need for energy efficient solution in the building sector to combat climate change and ensure sustainability. Growing energy demands in building. The demand for energy in buildings is only increasing, especially with the rapid economic growth we are witnessing in today's world, particularly in developing economies like India. As more people gain access to electricity and purchase appliances like air conditioner, the strain on energy resources become more and more apparent. However, with well-tested energy efficiency policies, we can significantly reduce energy consumption without compromising the quality of energy services provided. Impact of electric vehicles and heat pumps. Let's talk about some specific factors contributing to this rising energy demand. The adoption of electric vehicle and heat pumps has been accelerating in recent years. Between 2015 and 22, the residential heat pump sales has tripled and electric car accounted for 1 in 5 vehicle sales globally by 2023. As a result, we are seeing a significant increase in peak electricity demand, especially in regions where these technologies are becoming more prevalent. This shift in energy demand pattern poses significant challenge for the electricity grid. In rapid developing countries like India, where the grids are already very much overloaded, this change in energy demand pattern poses a significant threat for grid stability also. Accelerating deployment of renewable energy. To address the challenges posed by increasing energy demand, countries around the world are accelerating the deployment of renewable energy sources like wind and solar, especially solar photovoltaic system. This transition to renewable energy not only enhances energy security but also contributes to mitigating the impact of climate change. However, it is important to note that renewable energy generation is weather dependent, which presents its own sets of challenges. Managing fluctuation in renewable generation. The variability in renewable energy generation poses challenges for grid operator as a system level surpluses and periods of lower generation becomes more and more frequent. To manage this fluctuation effectively, greater flexibility in energy system is essential. This includes reducing total energy demand from buildings and implementing mechanism for adjusting electricity demand to better match for renewable energy generation pattern. Buildings are the part of solution. Buildings themselves can be part of solution to our energy challenges by hosting distributed energy resources and using energy more flexibly. Buildings can contribute to a more resilient and sustainable energy system. This involves integrating on-site renewable energy generation, energy storage and smart building technologies to optimize energy use and reduce reliance on centralized utilities. Integration of renewable energy in buildings. So, how exactly do we integrate renewable energy into buildings? It starts with improving energy efficiency through high performing building envelopes and efficient equipment. Next, buildings can be equipped with solar photovoltaic system and energy storage to produce renewable electricity and retain excess supply until it's needed. Smart sensors, controls and digital solutions then enable buildings to interact with the grid and adjust their electricity demand accordingly. Integration of renewable energy technologies improves building resilience as well as help in grid stability. Benefits of flexibility for consumers. Greater flexibility in energy use benefits consumer in several ways. By taking advantage of time of use electricity tariff, that is the cost of unit electricity varies throughout the day. For example, in the morning and the evening have high electricity demand time, the per unit electricity charge will be higher compared to low demand time during like midnight. In this way, by using demand response measures, that is controlling their electricity use in such a way that they shift their controllable electricity demand to a time of day in which grid is very lightly loaded, consumers can optimize their energy consumption and reduce household electricity bills at the same time. This not only empowers consumer but also contributes to environmental and economic sustainability. Interoperability and smart technologies. Interoperability between buildings and grids is crucial for effective communication and coordination. It means that now the power flow can be both ways, that is, building not only take power from the grid but also supply power to the grid using technologies like grid connected rooftop PV whenever required by the grid. Also, the power demand can be reduced or increased as per requirement by the grid by using communication between both the parties. Smart meters, connected devices and automated controls enable buildings to respond to signals from the grid and optimize energy use accordingly. Open communication protocols ensure interoperability and facilitate the integration of smart technologies into building energy management systems. Examples of smart grid initiative. Around the world, various smart grid initiatives are already underway. For example, the UK has developed standards for smart communication interfaces already, while Australia has introduced demand response enabling devices. These initiatives improve grid connectivity and enable more efficient energy use, paving the way for a more sustainable energy future. Demonstrated benefit of grid interactions. Several successful projects have already demonstrated the benefit of grid interaction in buildings. From Scottish apartment blocks to smart neighborhoods in the US, flexibility initiatives have resulted in significant energy savings without compromising the comfort or convenience of the user. These projects highlight the potential of grid interaction to enhance energy efficiency and sustainability. We will be doing an in-depth analysis of some of the similar projects in the upcoming lectures. Policy consideration for building efficiency. Policy support is essential for promoting energy efficient building practices. Mandatory requirements for energy efficient buildings designs and flexibility consideration in buildings regulations are crucial steps toward fostering the adoption of energy efficient grid and grid interactive buildings. Policy intervention can drive innovation and accelerate the transition to a more sustainable built environment. In India, the government has implemented several initiatives to enhance building efficiency and promote sustainable development. The Energy Conservation Building Code, that is ECBC, sets minimum energy performance standards for new commercial buildings and major renovation. Additionally, the Bureau of Energy Efficiency, that is BEE, has launched programs such as the Eco Niwas Samhita to promote energy efficient building designs and technologies in the residential sector. These policy interventions aim to reduce energy consumption, lower greenhouse gas emissions and enhance energy security. By incorporating energy efficiency requirements into building regulations and providing incentives for sustainable building practices, India is paving the way for a more sustainable future. Conclusion. To sum up, efficient and flexible buildings are the key to clean energy transitions. By integrating renewable energy sources, improving energy efficiency and enhancing grid interactions, buildings can play a significant role in achieving climate goals and building a sustainable energy future. Collaboration between stakeholders and effective policy frameworks are essential for realizing the full potential of renewable energy in buildings. Now, let us further delve into the environmental and economic benefits of integrating renewable energy in buildings. As we have already seen, the buildings are significant contributors to energy consumption and greenhouse gas emission worldwide. Buildings are fundamental components of our urban landscape and they consume a significant portion of the world's energy. This integration of renewable energy technologies within buildings represents a critical step towards reducing carbon emission, improving air quality and fostering economic growth. Let us first discuss the environmental benefit of integrating renewable energy in buildings. Reduce greenhouse gas emission. The combustion of fossil fuel in buildings for heating or cooling and electricity generation is a major contribution to greenhouse gas emission. By transitioning to a renewable energy sources such as solar or wind or geothermal power, buildings can significantly reduce their carbon footprints. Renewable energy technologies produce little to no emission during operation, helping to mitigate climate change and its associated impacts. Improved air quality. In addition to reducing greenhouse gas emission, the adoption of renewable energy technologies in buildings leads to improved air quality. Unlike fossil fuel combustion, renewable energy generation does not release any pollutants such as sulfur dioxide, nitrogen oxide and particulate matter. By reducing air pollution, buildings contribute to better public health outcomes and create a safer and more livable communities. Mitigation of climate change. Climate change poses significant threats to ecosystems and economics as well as human well-being. Integrating renewable energy in buildings is a crucial step for mitigating climate change and reducing global carbon emission. By transitioning away from fossil fuels, buildings help limit the rise in global temperatures, protect vulnerable ecosystems and preserve the planet for future generations. Decrease reliance on fossil fuel. These buildings minimize reliance on fossil fuels by harnessing renewable energy sources effectively. Integrating renewable energy into buildings offers significant environmental benefits, foremost among them being the decreased reliance on fossil fuel. By harnessing renewable sources such as solar, wind, geothermal, buildings can minimize or even eliminate their dependence on fossil fuels for electricity generation, heating, cooling. This reduction in fossil fuel consumption directly contributes to the mitigation of greenhouse gas emissions, air pollution and other environmental impacts associated with traditional energy resources. By transitioning to renewable energy, buildings play a crucial role in advancing the environmental sustainability and combating climate change on a local as well as global scale. Next, we will look into the economic benefit of integrating renewable energy in the buildings. Energy cost savings. Beyond environmental benefits, integrating renewable energy in buildings offer compelling economic advantages. Renewable energy technologies such as solar panels, wind turbines and geothermal system enables building to generate their electricity, reducing reliance on grid supplied power. Over time, this led to significant cost savings on energy bills for building owners and occupants, enhancing financial sustainability and affordability. Economic growth and job creation. The renewable energy sector presents significant opportunities for economic growth and job creation. Investments in renewable energy technologies stimulate economic activity, create jobs in manufacturing, installation as well as maintenance, and drive innovation and entrepreneurship. By embracing renewable energy in building communities can further sustainable economic development while reducing their environmental impacts. Energy independence and security. Integrating renewable energy in buildings enhance energy independence and security. By generating energy locally, buildings reduce dependence on imported fossils, fuels and vulnerable centralized energy system. This enhances resilience to supply disruption, strengthen energy security and ensure a reliable and sustainable energy supply for buildings and communities, particularly during emergencies or natural disasters. Enhance property value. Buildings equipped with renewable energy system often experience enhanced property values. Renewable energy installations such as solar panel, wind turbines and energy efficient appliances enhance the attractiveness of a building to potential buyers and tenants. Energy efficient buildings with lower operating costs and reduced environmental impacts are highly desirable in today's real estate market, driving up property values and return on investments. Sustainable development goals. Integrating renewable energy in buildings aligns with several sustainable development goals established by the United Nations. Goals such as affordable and clean energy, climate action and sustainable cities and communities are advanced through the adoption of renewable energy technologies in buildings. By contributing to the achievements of these SDGs, buildings play a vital role in promoting sustainable development and addressing global challenges. Policy support and incentives. Government policies and incentives plays a crucial role in promoting the integration of renewable energy in buildings. Tax credits, rebates, feed-in tariff and other financial incentives encourages investment in renewable energy system and helps offset initial costs. Furthermore, supportive policies such as streamlined permitting processes, building codes and public awareness campaigns facilitate the adoption of renewable energy technologies in buildings and drive market transformation. Technological advancements. Ongoing advancements in renewable energy technologies make integration more feasible and cost effective. Improved efficiency, affordability and scalability of solar panels, wind turbines, energy storage systems and smart building technologies drive widespread adoption. As technology continues to evolve, the barriers to renewable energy integration in buildings are gradually diminishing, paving the way for a more sustainable and resilient building environment. Challenges and solutions. While the benefits of integrating renewable energy in buildings are substantial, there are challenges to overcome. Initial cost, grid integration issues, regulatory barriers, and lack of awareness may pose obstacle to widespread adoption. However, solutions such as financial incentives, public-private partnership, streamlined permitting processes, and community engagement can address these challenges and accelerate the transition to renewable energy in buildings. In conclusion, the environmental and economic benefits of integrating renewable energy in buildings are vast. By reducing greenhouse gas emissions, improving air quality, and enhancing energy efficiency, buildings plays a crucial role in mitigating climate change and promoting sustainable development. Through collaborations, innovations, and supportive policies, we can harness the power of renewable energy to create healthier, more resilient, and economically vibrant communities. To sum up, in today's lecture, we delve into the world of renewable energy, understanding its significance and why it's crucial for our sustainable future. We explored various types of renewable energy sources including hydropower, bioenergy, geothermal, ocean energy, hydrogen, wind energy and solar energy in its thermal and photovoltaic forms. Each of these sources offers unique advantages and plays a vital role in diversifying our energy mix. Moving on, we shifted our focus to potential for renewable energy in buildings. With rising energy demands, especially in the building sector, it's imperative to address growing energy consumption in this area. Buildings not only contribute significantly to energy consumption but also holds immense potential to become a part of the solution. Through energy efficient designs, integration of renewable energy systems and smart technologies, buildings can reduce their energy footprint while enhancing their resilience and sustainability. Moreover, we explored the integration of renewable energy into buildings, discussing how advancements in technology and supportive policies are driving this transition. By harnessing renewable sources like solar, wind, geothermal, buildings can generate clean power on site, reducing dependence on traditional energy sources and mitigating environmental impacts. Next, we highlighted the environmental and economic benefit of integrating renewable energy into buildings, emphasizing on the importance of this transition in combating climate change and fostering a greener future. Through innovation, collaboration and strategic planning, we can unlock the full potential of renewable energy in our built environment, paving the way for a more sustainable and resilient future for generations to come. In the next lecture of this module, we will be studying integrating solar energy systems into buildings, method for calculating solar energy potential in buildings, design considerations for solar energy applications, installation techniques and best practices, financial incentives and ROI analysis, integration of solar energy systems for energy efficiency. Thank you very much and wish you a very happy learning.